Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understand. Hey y'all, I'm back. I just got out from my nap, so excuse the look, but me and my daughter are about to bake a cake. So come watch us. Raya, come on. And the milk.
Sorry. The Santos bag is open now. This one?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to figure out which container. Whoa.
Are you sending your of those waffles you had?
I had threw it wet. I didn't know.
You put it. Need the melted butter. Put it in the microwave.
3/4.
Or 3/4 in it.
Go ahead and beat this. You didn't want the rice?
No. There we go.
We're gonna put it in there for 35 minutes. All right. Be back when the cake is ready. We decided on a bluntlet pan.
Yeah.
So, well, yeah, not bluntlet because it's not gonna be small. A bundt cake pan. So, we'll come back once it's coming out the oven. All right, got the cake out. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna run to the store because I need to cook. We'll make some more dirty rice anyway. So by the time I come back, the cake should be cooled off, and I'll get it out the pan. All right, y'all. Here's our little bundt cake.
Hours later.
So pretty.
Hours later.
It had to cool.
Hours later.
It had to cool. This lady.
I never do it take hours to cool. I thought it was gonna take like as soon as it did it take for cupcakes. Got this writing gel for the cake. So I can write.
We got some lemon icing. Not too much on the icing. Icing the cake. I'm talking to her.
I need to snip this. Twisting.
Alright, y'all, this is the best I'm gonna do for this cake. I don't know if I should
There's a
ice it
big
on
dot.
this-
Don't. There's a
ice
big
it on
old
this
dot.
side or not, but
No,
this
don't.
is what we doing. This homemade. This is what we got.
This is not homemade.
There's always a hater somewhere, and this is her right here. The hell?
Like there's a big old dot up here because does not have zero icing on it. Now it's gonna feel weird. I mean, this thing is spreading.
Alright, y'all, so she wrote Happy New Year on here. And I'm not gonna lie, we're about to wipe that right on off. Because she said it's disgusting. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. I might record later when we eat a piece, so tell y'all how it tastes. Alright, talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all, we gonna taste the cake. She don't like a lot of icing, but she finna eat it. Yep, it's there. It's moist. The lemon is good. You like it? What's your opinion?
What do you mean, opinion?
What you think about the cake? They can't hear you.
Would give it
It's like an 8.
like a 8.5.
It's like an 8. It's definitely curing my sweet tooth. For sure. Scooped it up like it's ice cream. Wow, you want some right now?